See, earlier global investors meet, a few states used to conduct a global investors meet. Maybe Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and some other few states. Now every state is having a global investors meet, and actually they have that rights to do so. So we thought, we should make it a little different now. We should go from the usual, deviate from the usual path, make it something different. So that's where we are. So now this time we have country pavilions. Almost 16 countries will be participating here. An element which is derived from World Economic Forum. So we have more than 100 speakers. We have SME Connect. We have Venturize, and we have so many roundtables for various groups, including Queen City. Venturize is a startup challenge where the problems are identified by the industry, and the startup people from both our state as well as from various countries are participating in this. We identified them. There are 3 prize monies into these startup challenges, 3 sectors there. One is electronics, the other is aerospace and defense, and third is EV. And each carry $100,000 of prize money.
Right.
Of course, it's been sponsored by industry, but it carries so much of importance. See, because we are now giving focus to MSMEs also, startup. We are a startup capital. Generally, what happens is Karnataka, when they hear Karnataka, people feel, oh, IT capital of India, Silicon Valley of India. Of course, we are the IT capital of India. We are the Silicon Valley of India, with a lot of ties with the Silicon Valley of America. Both complement each other. But the Karnataka growth story is not that. We are many more sectors. We are number in aerospace and defense. 65% of the contribution from aerospace and defense industry comes from Karnataka. We are number in one in electronics, system design manufacturing.
Right.
We are number 1 in machine tools. We are the startup capital.
Right.
We are high in innovation index.
Yeah.
So there's much more growth story for Karnataka. Of course, automobile we are 4th. This one. If you take green energy, 65% of the installed capacity from hydro, then solar, wind is from Karnataka. Historically, if you take Karnataka, has an ecosystem with pre-independence, 100 years plus.
Right.
We have ISRO,
Yes.
wherein a space aircraft sent to the south pole of the moon with what fraction cost of what NASA could do. That's the strength of our eminent scientists. We have HAL, we have BHEL, we have BAL, we had HMT, Indian Institute of Science, and of course during Mysore Maharaja, we had Karnataka Soaps Detergent Limited, we had Mysore Lamps, Mysore Paints,
Right.
we had NGF. This is all historically the ecosystem came at the first layer. Historical ecosystem.
Right.
Thereafter it was all the professional colleges.
Right.
If you take 30 years before, 3 decades before, the highest number of engineering college, medical schools, law, management was all from Karnataka. That's how the talent developed. The entire country used to come to study to Karnataka.
Absolutely.
There were not much colleges in other states. That's how our with the talent Infosys grew. Wipro came in.
Right.
That was the second layer of this one.
Right.
So thereafter now with this ecosystem we are moving forward.
Right.
So somewhere we have been in all sectors, but of course we are number 1 machine tools also. But now we are concentrating more to touch more of this one to manufacturing also, and of course semiconductor, which are the future, semiconductor, then EV, as well as artificial intelligence. The highest number of startups in the artificial intelligence are from Karnataka again. So with this ecosystem, backed with the strong policies, Karnataka is what world is looking for. And now coupled with that, we are coming with a new industrial policy with a new single window done by Microsoft. Now we have created vision groups for all sectors. We have a strategic committee. AI is going to be a future because everything will involve AI, whether doctors, whether it's manufacturing, everything have an AI this one there for good as well as bad also.
Absolutely.
It has to be, it has to be this one. We lose the employment. So we have no choice. It is going to be smart manufacturing. It has AI enabled thing. When we are adopting a AI enabled single window system now, Microsoft, take our own example. But saying so, we are in the new industry policy to address all these things. We are giving an incentive to employment. We are giving additional incentive to women employment. We are giving those who have their R&D centers, because Bangalore is now Fortune 500 companies, 400 plus companies have their base in India. Highest number of GCCs, every 15 days one GCC is opened here. Right from Samsung to Airbus to Boeing, everybody is here, Mercedes, everyone. So R&D happens here, the product assignment happens here. Manufacturing is elsewhere. Some happen here, some elsewhere also. To make them manufacture here, to convert that R&D here itself, we are giving a 10% special incentive. So we're doing all things to balance it out, the effect of AI or auto. See, we have a zonal, this one already beyond Bangalore. Zonal, Bangalore, if you take Bangalore urban, there is no incentives. Bangalore rural for some high-tech industries like this one, semiconductor research and all this, some incentive has to be given, which is considered. Otherwise, all the other places have been given incentives in the zones, whether it's Gulbarga, Bijapur, Belgaum, Dharwad, anywhere. Adding now to that, to push more into the backward areas, wherein, as you said, equitable the distribution of companies. So we had this Nanjundappa report, committee report, who was identified which are the districts which are more backward, most backward, 3 categories. So to give this one to Philip to those regions, the more backward will have 3% additional incentive. The most backward will have 5% additional incentive. Apart from the zonal, keeping intact, in addition to. And we're doing all, we have identified these are the zones. You take Mysore, you say when you say Mysore, medical tech companies, medtech companies there, semiconductor, electronics there, and similarly machine tools in Tumkur. Of course, we have natural our mining ore and all is there in steel plants in Koppal, then Ballari in this one. Bijapur wind energy in Solavo, this one. FMCG park we have in Dharwad, Hubli. We have aerospace industry private park of acres by Arvind Medigari in Belgaum. So we're doing much more for all this to see that a holistic development happens in the entire state. But at the same time, we can't force anyone because there is so much of competitiveness. If somebody wants to do around Bangalore, if I say I'm not allowed to do around Bangalore, he has a choice to go to other states. So keeping that, telling about the ecosystem there, incentives, support, we are trying to get them over there. Yeah, I'm telling you now every industrial estate, whether it's Bangalore or Belgaum, Hubli, Bijapur, elsewhere, everywhere, all industrial parks are going to get water, dedicated water. This is the initiative started by me now, very strongly. And at the same time, see every district is coming with an airport. Road network is going massive everywhere. It happened in our government also. Subsequently, also Gadkari ji also is doing a fantastic job. See, rail network also a lot of things are happening, doubling works and all this. So now connectivity is improving everywhere, whether it's Belgaum or Bijapur or any place. Gulbarga, Gulbarga has an airport now. Shimoga has an airport. Bijapur is coming with an airport. Doubling is happening elsewhere. Even only two places, Hubli, Ankola, one rail line is very important, and Hassan, which is approved again. Some issues. Then we have Bangalore, Hassan, and Chikmagalur and Mangalore. This one. So a lot of infrastructure this one is being pushed also. Talent is also available there. See, there is no IT, electronics, buy this one, startup, aerospace and defense. There is no competition for us. We are competing globally. Aerospace and defense, you take, we are global number 3. IT, we are in a global this one. Electronics, we are global. Buy this one, we are global. Startup, we are global. See, at the same time, manufacturing, we are trying to compete with others. So your ecosystem with strong political this one also. We see when you say we have a different political system here. Previous was another ruled government. We have a different government, but the policy decision taken by the previous government is honoured by the next government. That's stability. It won't change. The support won't change. That is the confidence what we are giving to the investors. So likewise, of course, we would in certain sectors, we want anchor developers, anchor people coming over there, like semiconductor and all this. Some maybe in some EV, some in II and all this. But in some sectors, now things have gone beyond. Some states are offering huge incentives, which is not the need of Karnataka. We can't afford, it's not required also. Other time, we faced this one. One of the industry tweeted, oh, this industry went there. I said, okay, this industry is getting 100 plus more than the investment they get incentive. I'm not desperate. I've given what to Foxconn, I'm ready to give to them. Not beyond that. I don't require. And in media, it appeared, oh, this company is lost to some other state. This is not a loss to us. And if I do that, many more in the pipeline. So tomorrow it will spoil the fiscal discipline. We have a prudent fiscal system, financial system. We have to honor. While giving incentives, many states have struggled, but we are giving incentives as promised. See, Quinn was developed, I said, the historical ecosystem, further the professional colleges, our IT companies, and all these things. We have to take this to the next level. We can't stay stagnant. Other states are also now coming to the same level now, today or tomorrow. Maybe we may be ahead, some may be behind. Soon they'll also catch up. So we again have to be leaders. We have to be one notch higher. So this knowledge, this one we are now, this foreign university bill, of course it was happened during Kapil Sibal's this one. But not many universities did not come because in India, education was not for charity. And no foreign university, although they are public universities, will come here to do charity in India. They would love to do charity in their country, but not in India. Now it's opened up. They can take a decent profit over there from here, and only a fair condition. Now that the degree awarded there and here has to be equivalent. That's a fair condition. Not many foreign universities will come now. And medical tourism, we are number 1. Karnataka, Mangalore is one side to take care of the Gulf. This side we have SCG, we have Narayana Hrudayalaya. Dr. Devi Shetty went to Cayman Islands to start a Cayman Islands, some other island there. He started this one hospital over there, cardiac hospital, multi-special hospital there. So, and innovation and research, we are always again ahead. So, to keep this one, we came up with this Queen City. I do not want to bring much into politics, but Karnataka or any other state, southern state, whatever we contribute to center, a fair this one has to come to the states. That's not happening. That we are protesting, we are trying to address that. Certain sectors have been neglected here. See, yeah, but at the same time, the state is strong for in these sectors. Will push, but at the same time fight with the center. There's always a correction. We believe in correction.
But no worrying factor for Karnataka as such when it comes to the
No,
allocation.
there are many worrying factors. Not that is not there. We can do it much better. We can take much more developmental works
Right.
if money comes like that.
Right.
So we are deprived around 60-70,000 crores.
AIIMS
And
Raichur.
now IT, take it IT. What is the contribution? 4 lakh crores.
Right.
We don't get anything from that.
Yeah.
Only it's indirect,
Indirect.
not direct.
Right.
These all of things has to be concerned, fractured. And everything has to be a merit-based system.
Right.
Those who are performing well,
Well.
if they are left behind, and who are poor performers, they are given incentives. Of course, those are backward states and all this, they have to be encouraged. But not at the cost of a progressing state. And then everything can be done through a dialogue. Okay, this is what we give.
Right.
This is what we require.
Right. Will AIIMS Raichur be a reality, sir? We
Pardon?
also heard you give your statement on AIIMS being
Yes,
a
yes, yes. A lot in North Karnataka. We have reserved a space in AIMS in Hubli. Raichur is waiting. There's no AIMS here. See, Swift City is this area particularly. It falls next to Electronic City and all this.
Correct.
So there's a potential with startups there.
Right.
So we have these plans, but there are many more issues with that land acquisition over there and all this, which are going to take a little tough time there. But once that is done, it's a beautiful place. We can do a better than Electronic City. See, this is what, if this Swift City comes up, it'll further it'll add up to that sector.
Okay.
So little bit ease will happen over there.
Okay.
And we know the background of all this one. So I don't want to make any statement here.
Right. Right.
This is not the forum also to answer that question. But it'll make things better. See, there are a lot of companies, big companies, there were startups who want to come to Bangalore. Plus, kindly wait. We want to make an announcement in the Global Investors Meet. So we'll be doing so right from Tatas to Jindals to a lot of people have come already.
Right.
We are almost after I taking over nearly 1,40,000 crores has come. So further will come, and course this time is going to have a realistic this one. We are not going to make any absurd announcement. Oh, the 50 lakh crores. Some people include their buildings and all this, everything into IT building. If I do that, I can make 50 lakh crores.
Right.
We are now going to be very realistic. Last time it happened with our 22 this one, where we didn't have that much of capacity of green hydrogen.
Right.
2,40,000 was announced in green MOUs in green hydrogen. Nothing came up.
Right.
And today we answer the media. Oh, what happened? So this time we have a realistic target about 8 to 10 lakh crores, and out of which 70 to 80% should realize. Then making an announcement 20 lakh crores, which not to come. See, textile industry, we have got a great opportunity. When last time also, when I met the finance minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, she said Bangladesh, all of them are into problem. So Karnataka, we should encash on that textile one also. So this garments industry, so we're doing that. And Ballari had a historical small people who are doing gene cluster, they get to material, do it and all this. Our leader Rahul Gandhi, present the opposition leader in the country, Rahul Gandhi, the Lok Sabha, he when he was said, he said, these people should be taken. And there were 500 plus people there like that, So to address this one, we have now identified on this one, and we are formalizing this one. We'll take inputs from him also, whatever if he has in this one, and we are going to see that this gene cluster, particularly more focused, those 500 people have to be relocated, and we should be successful in getting them there, and some common facilities, because it becomes expensive to some of them buy those equipments and all this. Some common facilities everybody can use, and some incentives. And maybe one mega factory also, so that raw material is available. So these are the plans for gene this one. But this was originally, this plan came from Rahul Gandhi. Now in the new industries policy, I have come up with a employment incentive. We'll be incentivizing more employments, and furthermore incentive for women employment, for green manufacturing, sustainable manufacturing, we are giving an incentive, and those who are doing their R&D here, right side, they are going to come here, and if there is a 10% incentive to them. Backward areas, Nanjundappa committee, 3 to 5% of more additions this one time. Then we have got a single window clearance now, which has been rehauled with Microsoft, making it more simple, AI-enabled, with all statutory requirements, everything. We have strategic committees, we have vision groups, we have reconstructed the IKF with a commissioner, CEO from there, from IAS cadre, of course. But we'll be having window on the various verticals, aerospace and defense. One from the industry will be heading it. Will be a paid person from the industry. Electronics, one paid person. Automobiles, one paid person. Make it more professional. He'll do the market analysis, lobbying, hand-holding. So we are changing a lot to keep the Bangalore, Karnataka, this one, to compete with the world, not compete in India.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was our large and